morning. Computer ethics. Okay, nowadays the usage of computer is also increased. So there are lots of technological advances are increased. So we need to know about the ethics, how to handle the computer, and how we avoid the illegal activities, increased illegal activities in future. So some of the issues arises due to computer abuse are hacking. So hacking means hacking the some other's account, email ID and Facebook account, that and all. Then cybercrime means we are thefting some login or their user details by using their device. Then computer viruses means we are installing the unnecessary softwares. Then software piracy means we are using the unauthorized, unlicensed software. Then cipher squatting. Cipher squatting means unauthorized registrations. We are registering with some other user ID and password. Then internet deformation. Internet deformation means that is we are spreading the false statement about a individual or a person. Okay, these are all the some computer abuses. So we need to study the ethics. So first we should know the definition of computer ethics. So computer ethics is the study of ethical issues that are associated primarily with the computer machine and computing professions. So it deals with the evaluation of decision making in a variety of moral problems caused by a computer. Then the issues that involves computer abuses are, first one is the power relations. So power relations means due to the advancement of computers, the powers are in the hands of some few people, so that due to the power the democracy may be affected. Then the changes caused due to the power relationship. First one is job eliminations. If we are using computer illegally, so if some persons find out, they should eliminate job. They should eliminate job from us. The next one, customer relations. So there will be it breaks the customer relations. Then biased software. Okay, these are all the changes caused. Then stock trading. Stock trading means due to the computer abuse, that is they are getting or hacking some other account, means there will be lots of changes in the trading, stock trading. Then unrealistic expectations. Then political power. Okay, these are all the changes caused due to the power relationship. Then second abuse is properties. Okay, the two major problems encountered in the use of computer, the properties. First one is embezzlement. Okay, embezzlement, that is where investment. Then that means we are theft. It is like a theft. Then theft of software and other informations. These are all the two properties. First one is what is the problem of embezzlement, means the speed and geographical coverage of the computer system and the difficulty of tracing the transaction through computers makes catching the thieves troublesome. So we can catch the transaction up to some distances. So if it is exceed the above, it will creates a problem. Okay, that is a embezzlement. Misuse, that is called as a misuse. Then the computers are abused in stealing by employees at work. Okay, that is they are stealing the login ID, password of some other employees. Then stealing by non-employees or former employees. Then stealing by clients and consumers, violating the contracts for computer sales or service. Then conspiring to use computer networks to engage in widespread fraud. Okay, these are all the causes. The computers are abused in these ways. The problem of embezzlement gives the penalties for computer crime and are mild compared to conventional crimes. Why the embarrassment problems arises means we cannot find out easily hacker and internet deformators and unauthorized user. So there is no proof for that one. So the penalty for a computer crimes are very less. Then password and more recently data encryptions are used for security with limited effectiveness. Okay, it is also another reason for embarrassment. Then the theft of data and software. Here, what is data? Data is information stored in a computer. That information is stolen by some unauthorized user. Then software or program. Program means it consists of an algorithm and a source code and object code. These may be stolen by some persons, unauthorized persons. That means example for theft of data and software, that is buying one copy and reproducing the dozens of copies. The next one, issues that involves in computer abuse. One is a violation of privacy, data bank errors. Then next one is what is data bank error? Even incorrect information generated by a computer, it is taken to be an authenticated. Then hackers. Hackers are people who compulsively challenge any computer security system, chalk networks, give out false information. Okay, that means they are hacking our email ID and password. Then they are spreading the false information to our friends and relatives and okay, that is hackers. Then the 10 commandments of computer ethics are: one is don't use to harm others. Then don't interfere in others' computer work. Okay, this is the second one. So we don't interfere with the others' username and password and email ID and password. Then don't snoop around in others' files. Then unnecessarily we never go through. We should never go through the others' files. Don't use steal. Then don't use to bear false witnesses. Okay, don't spread the false information about others. Don't copy proprietary software. Don't use others' computer without authorization. Don't steal others' output. Then think about social consequences. That is, suppose if you are spreading the false information about a person, then how it affects their life and affects their careers. So we should think about that one. Then use in a way to give respect for a fellow human being. Okay, we should give a respect to a human being. Okay, so these are all the commandments we should follow when using the computer.